How to create a FPL account. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, make sure that you have installed FPL account onto your device. If not, head over to your Play Store. Then here at the search bar, type in Premier League. And this is the application that you should have in your device. If you have installed it already, then tap on Open. Then you will see a page like this. As we are about to create ourselves an account, let's go ahead and tap on Get Started. And here choose your favorite team and tap on Continue. Again, choose your team that you would like to follow and tap on Continue. Now if you would like to receive notification from Premier League, then tap on Yes, choose notification. In my case, I'm gonna go with No thanks. Lastly, check the box and tap on Yes, create account. Now here, let's go ahead and write our first name. Write in your last name, your email address, create yourself a very strong password, and select your gender, your date of birth, your country of residence, and lastly enter your phone number, which is optional, and tap on to next. And lastly, let's go ahead and select our favorite club. Tap on to next. And just like so, this is how you can create yourself a PL account. And once you have created an account, you have to verify your email address. Go ahead and check your email. You will see an email by Premier League. Tap on Activate Account. And now that you have confirmed your email address, go ahead and open up your PL account, enter your email address and password. Lastly, tap on Sign In, and that is how you can do it. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will catch you up in our next upload.